Okay, so I just wanted to spend a couple minutes to just briefly talk about Unlocked Academy's Chrome browser extension here. What's its purpose? How do you access it? That sort of stuff. And so, if you're not aware, Unlocked Academy is a completely free suite of educational software. We've got an Android app, the Chrome browser extension, the website itself. We're also building an iPhone app and other pieces of software to help students learn. And the way that we help students learn is we kind of help nudge them or force them to study by having a flashcard that they're trying to learn automatically pop up on their screen after either a certain number of minutes has passed with an open screen on their Chrome browser or on their phone, or after they've unlocked their phone, as well as on their Chrome browser, at least if they go visit a specific website on the Chrome browser, they can also have a pop-up occur. And so that's the general functionality. See, just like here, a certain number of minutes has passed, and then a pop-up occurred. One of my flashcards that I'm trying to study in one of my classes popped up. I don't have to proactively seek it out. The content is coming to me based on my technology habits. That's the general idea. So I'm just going to close that out right now. But if you're not aware, first off, it's completely free to access all of the software. But if you are not aware, the Chrome browser extension, to use it, you obviously need to have your account created. So I'm just going to log out here and I'll log back in. So right when you download, and let me go to Google instead because it'll be a little easier to see. So when you have downloaded it and installed the Unlocked Academy Chrome browser extension from Chrome Web Store here, then you're going to see this is going to be the first screen that you see. It's the login screen. You need to log in to ensure that the content that is linked to your account, the flashcards you're trying to memorize, are going to be the ones that get popped up. And so I just typed in my login information. That's the same login information that you're going to have when you go to the website or when you're, trying to go on to the Android app and that sort of thing. So once you log into the Chrome browser extension, you see a couple different buttons. Very simple. Button right up here, that's the logout button. And then you've got the two functionality. You've got the first functionality, which is the screen timer. You have 1, 5, 15, or 10 and 15 minutes. If it's on, it's purple. If it's off, it's yellow or orange. So, and then the second piece of functionality here. So right now, for example, it's on at 1. So roughly once a minute or so, I should be getting a pop-up. And the second piece of functionality here is the specific URL. So if you turn that on, you can actually control or add additional URLs or remove these URLs. Since it's off, I don't have the ability to do that. And then and again, all that means is if you go to a URL like a google.com or Unlocked Academy, whatever URL that you have in here, you'll automatically get one of these pop-ups occur. And so that pop-up, this is off, and the reason why that pop-up occurred was because roughly a minute has passed with an open screen here on Google. So that's why that pop-up occurred. I think it's actually Venus. Yep. Okay, cool. And so that is the general functionality. Just make sure that if you make any changes, to save the data, and then just click anywhere here and then continue on with what you were doing. It works great if you're watching YouTube videos because it's casually getting the content in front of your eyes that you're trying to memorize without you having to proactively seek it out or change your daily behavior. So that's everything I wanted to bring up when it comes to the Unlocked Academy Chrome browser extension.